Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson in web application penetration testing with OWASP Juice Shop. In today's lesson, we are going to exploit remote code execution via a hidden route. If you found my content helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. The first thing you're going to do to start this challenge is open up your terminal and conduct a directory brute force to see if we can find any hidden routes. So we'll use fuzz with our chosen word list and point it at the URL of the web application with the fuzz keyword taking place of the section of the URL that we want to dictionary attack. And we find an anomaly here, API-docs, that's returning a status code of 301, which is a redirect. So let's copy this route, head back to the web application, and append it to the end of the URL. That leads us to the Swagger API docs. Now, if we open the dropdown for the orders route, we see the JSON payload for the request body and order lines data as the last object key, where you'll see some custom customer data, which might make order lines data injectable. So before we play around with this JSON data, let's head back to the home page and sign in as any user. We'll open up the network tab of the browser inspector, give the page a refresh, and from one of the routes, we'll copy our bearer token, then head back to API docs. And where it says authorize, paste your authorization token without the bearer keyword. Now, in a previous lesson, we tried to DoS the application with a forever loop as a deserialized function injection to the order lines data object. But when we executed it, the server responded with infinite loop detected, which means the server has a built-in mechanism to detect forever loops, and that particular method will not work to DoS the application via JSON deserialization. So what we can do instead is use the following payload, which is an example of catastrophic backtracking in regular expressions, where the underlying issue rests in the nested expressions of the regular expression, where we're asking the engine to find one or more A's grouped inside another loop that also looks for one or more of those groups, followed by a B. However, we supplied a long string of A's without a B at the end. This means when the regular expression reaches the end of the string and fails to find the B, it tries every possible mathematical permutation of how the A's can be grouped together to see if a different combination of A's might lead to the B character. And this will lead to an exponential explosion of data crunching. So now if we try to execute this, you can see we get a message back from the server, sorry, we are temporarily not available, please try again later. So perhaps this worked to DoS the web application. Let's head back to the home page and see what we find. We find that we solved the successful RCE DoS challenge, which was exactly what we were going for. And we also solved the blocked RCE DoS challenge with the infinite loop that we tried in the beginning of this challenge solution. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.